Hey everybody, welcome to Carol's Current Obsession. It's a little crazy today. Not looking my best, but I have something fun. So let's not focus on looks and let's look at what we have. Guess what? Today I have the most awesome package from Sunny Day Supply. Now I have been buying fabric from them on and off for years, okay? Mary and Sean run it. They're sisters and they always have the most beautiful selections of fabric. So let's get started. One of the fun things they do is they give you a package that looks so pretty in the mail to receive it. Okay, let's have a look at what they've got. Now, they always have something fun, and it's always wrapped up like this. And when I write back to them, I always write little things like, brown paper packages tied up in string. These are a few of my favorite things. So let's get going. The favorite things. And you know what? I've used this string before too for dollies for cording. It looks so great. You can stitch zigzag on it and it looks so cute. It makes great design. It looks like little embroidery actually for doll clothes, and it's very vintagey looking. Okay, one of the things they always include is a little glassine envelope, and it has the funnest little things. They always send me a note and some extras, and I love to find what they have. This time it looks like I have soap, some laundry detergent, some little special stuff. And you know what I use these packets for? Cleaning doll clothes. They're so wonderful. They work so nice. Okay, and they always include a little one for me, which is so nice. And it looks like, oh how nice, they also included for me a little container, a little thing of gingham rickrack. Isn't that cute? And it's not just a little, it's a lot. There's probably like 2 yards, 3 yards there. That is really nice. Thank you, Mary and Sean. And they have their fun little sticker that they send me. There we go. They have a fun little sticker that they send me. And, oh, how cute is this? A little clothing kind of tag to put on. Oh, that's so adorable. And a little card. And I'm going to show you their information there. Their Sunny Day Supply. Absolutely fantastic. And looky here. Embellishments that I hope will be useful for you, Carol, Sean, and Mary. How sweet is that? Let's see what's inside. These are so adorable. Oh my goodness. Little charms. I bet we can make cute little barrettes out of these. Little resin charms. And oh my goodness, a bunch of little resin charms. Just a little whole handful. Oh, these are adorable. Just adorable. Okay. That is absolutely sweet. Thank you, Mary and Sean. That is as awesome as can be. And then a little Mickey Mouse button. That's awfully cute. And it looks like some pieces of squares of fabric. Now I quilt as well, so I love getting these little random squares, plus they're little like samples of the fabrics that they have or have had, and I love those. I'm collecting them. I'm gonna make me a quilt one day out of all the samples they send me. And then of course they're very thoughtful handwritten notes, which I treasure these. I think these are fun. Let's see. Hello Carol, Sean here. It's wonderful to hear from you. My grandson found you again as he created a YouTube for Sunny Day. You were so kind to us. I'm glad to have this opportunity to say thank you so much. I'm venturing into doll clothes for my granddaughters this Christmas. Your videos are very helpful. Thank you for that too, Carol. I added some gingham rickrack I thought you might be able to use in your work. And I'm going to be able to. Thank you so much, Sean. Thank you for your generous order, Carol. We are grateful that you chose Sunny Day. Happy sewing with them. Warmest regards to you, Sean and Mary. It was lovely for us to mail your package to you. Take care and happy sewing. Isn't that the sweetest things? I just absolutely love it, and it comes on these adorable little cards. I actually always save these little notes they write me because I just like them. I don't know, I'm funny that way. Anyway, and then here's the goodies. Okay, now I love these. They always come so nicely done. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And they always tie it in this wonderful bow. And it's a 2.5 inch or 3 inch strip. So again, if you quilt or sew doll clothes, you can use this strip for something wonderful. I have used it for dresses for my small dolls. I've used it as ties, and I've even used it for other little things. I absolutely love it. I even made a scrunchie from one time. I just absolutely love it. Thank you. It's like this little bit of extra fabric, which I love. And they always send me a little extra, which this is the extra that I got this time. Isn't that adorable? I just love it. Now, look at this beautiful piece. This is gonna look so great on the dolls. Isn't that adorable? I can just see a little dress for Valentine's or spring made out of this. I love it so much. In a pinafore. Okay. And then look at this one. Isn't that a beautiful fabric? Oh, I love it so much. It's just gorgeous. And the little butterflies on it. Oh, I love it. Now here's one. It's dainty and soft. Look at that. And tiny blue stripes. To me, this sings a little party dress. Oh, I love it so much. And then, look at these. This is almost like flower gingham, isn't it? I love it so much. There's one in this green, and then I also got it in pink. That's like flower gingham. Oh, how much I love that so much. And then I have blue stripes, and they're diagonals, so they will look absolutely adorable with anything. Pinafores is what I was thinking with this. And then look. Oh, you can never have enough tiny polka dots. Isn't that adorable? I just love it so much. Okay, yes, I'm using the word adorable, but at least it's not cute, right? I used cute too much. Now look at this. Isn't that cute? Just for you guys. It's pink gingham, and it's tiny gingham, so it's perfect for vintage dolls, especially small dolls. And then, all right, you guys, this is the coup d'etat. Looky here. Okay, I bet you guys can guess what I'm going to be sewing with this. If you think it's Shirley Temple dolls, you'd be right. That's exactly what I'm going to do with this. So, and we're going to do some great tutorials on it. I hope you guys enjoy that. We're going to do a sew with me on the Shirley Temple stuff. I have a Shirley Temple doll that I am getting, and I'm going to unpackage it for you pretty soon, and we're going to look at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Again, remember, Sunny Day Supply. This is their information, and they do wonderful. Let's see, there we go. This is their information, and they are absolutely a treasure to buy from. And I bought this. They did not send this to me for free. I purchased everything in this package. So they are just absolutely lovely ladies. And if you ever go on Instagram, look them up, because I'm here to tell you their work is stunning. It is amazing. All right, thanks everyone. I sure hope you enjoyed this little unboxing of beautiful fabrics. I've got some more that I'm going to show up that are coming. Thanks so much. Take care, everyone.